So when we have a project that ends up having multiple layers, it can get really complicated when you want to change one of those layers to another layer. And a lot of us probably just select when it's not too complicated and then hold shift and select the other pieces of the layer that we want. And there's easier ways. So there's a few ways. So we could, let's say we wanted to change this blue layer. We could turn the other layers off. Go over to your cuts and layers and turn off everything except the blue. Do a swipe, select it, and then you can change it to something else. We'll just pick this one. We can change it to that and then go turn the other layers back on. And we're good. You could also select any layer. Let's select the red one this time. Select that layer and then go to Edit up top and down to Select All Shapes in Current Layer. That would select them, and then we could change it to something else still. And that one is a line. Let's make it a fill. But by far, the easiest way to do this is to just hold the Shift key, left click the layer that you want to change. It'll select it, and then you can change it to something else. And that is the easiest way to do it. And I've spent a lot of time before I figured this out or saw somebody do it, just picking through. But as the projects get more and more complicated, this will be really helpful. So if it was helpful, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow, and it helps keep me in the shop doing things like this and sharing them with you folks. I appreciate your time and watching. Check back often for new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.